Hey, welcome back to another video. This is this past week's plans. So I won this kit in a giveaway from Rachel here on YouTube. Her name is Gathered Plans. And then I pulled in some of my grab bags that I got from Scribble Prints Co. Some bowls from Nikki Plus 3. Rachel's freebie. Some butterflies from the Giving Girl. I got some washi, some overlays. I just kind of pulled a little bit of everything just to kind of have. And here I set it all up. So this kit, those full boxes are really long if you guys can't tell. And yeah, so those top washi strips are from Sadie Stickers. The overlay in the corner there is from Scribble Prints Co. And then the marble washi with the silver bowls is from oh my gosh, I'm blanking out. Simply Gilded. So Monday, I ended up putting this little 3-heart checklist and then the Luna Happy Mail sticker from LilacLunaPlans because I got some Happy Mail that day and I was so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm like, oh, my boyfriend's going to kill me. We were just talking about me not having a whole bunch of packages coming, and they're now coming. All the ones that I've been ordered, you know, they take a couple of weeks to come to you. So yeah. Then I ended up putting down this leftover flag I had from a kit that I bought from Planner Face. And I just made like a quick little checklist with that, just because like the spacing I found with these full boxes and just like the spacing was just different. So I was just kind of making do with all the things that I had, because this kit only came with like a washi strip page, a full page of half boxes and quarter boxes, and then the full box sheet. Like that's what I got in the giveaway. So I tried to pull in some things that I thought would match pretty well for the most part. You know, some of the things I ended up putting down ended up being glossy, and now that I'm thinking about it, I probably could have used more of those washi strips on that last page as some of the washi strips that I used in between things. But you know, nonetheless, c'est la vie, we move on. So I pulled these stickers I got from Elaine Michelle Studios. I actually got this for free when I ordered her new budget planner. And it was so sweet of her including these. And they came like right on time with like the colorway and with this kit. So I put these down on all the days that I worked in this week for this spread. If you guys don't know, I am a registered nurse and I typically work 3 days a week, but the way that the Erin Codren goes from Monday to Sunday for this week, when I work a weekend, it's going to look like I work 4. So I put it down for those 4. And what I ended up doing, I think I'm actually going to do that next, is I pulled the Happy Book nurses sticker and I used some of those black like little deco pieces to put where I am working, as well as a little extra, you know, little something, you know, just to jazz it up a little bit, I guess. I wish that this book had more silver. It's more gold, which I mean really is my aesthetic, but I thought silver just looked better with this kit, so that's what I used. So Tuesday, I did have to work, so I put down, you know, that little flag up there with the clipboard, and then I put down a full box for driving home, because driving home, whew, sometimes it takes a whole lot out of you. And then I put down that little 3-heart checklist for anything that, you know, maybe I wanted to do after coming home and working. And then that little flower decal is actually from LilacLunaPlans. That's one of her newer releases that she actually released, I believe it was a few weeks ago, in her $2 Tuesdays. So then same thing for Wednesday. And then I got I had placed like a large order during the Ultimate Planner sale, and that was one of the freebies that I got, the little vine that's in between the boxes there. So I put that down, and then I put down that full box because I came home and was binge watching all of the Erin Codren release videos. Like, I was like, oh, I have to sit and watch all these videos. I'm not going to sleep, and I'm so tired. I was exhausted after work, but I was going to watch those videos. So Thursday, again, I put down another checklist, and then I put down a quarter box, just a quarter box. And I'm just doing a little rearranging for spacing. And then I took one of the freebie deck out pieces from the freebie that I got from Rachel. That made no damn sense. Okay, I took the piece off of the freebie by Rachel that she sent to me in her giveaway that I won, and I'm putting that there underneath that quarter box to add a little more of the pizzazz. I had like somewhat of a plan when I was doing this plan with me, but then some of the things I started to wing, and I actually kind of really like the way that this came out. Again, that was like a quick snippet of a freebie that I got during that Ultimate Planner sale. Like, they sent you a bunch of freebies or samples from other shops, and that was on one of them. So Thursday I ended up playing like catch up in my yoga challenge. Like, I didn't do Tuesday or Wednesday, and I still had to do Thursday. So it was a lot of yoga on Thursday, but I am all caught up. I'm still caught up as of right now. Whew, I feel like I am talking a mile a minute. This thing is going fast. I maybe need to slow it down. Friday I did a little planning and recording, which I think is when I actually recorded this. So I, put that box down, and I did another little divider with a quarter box, and then I used a dragonfly from LilacLunaPlans. Now, for Saturday and Sunday, I did work. I have worked, and I put down a little checklist box because I wasn't really sure what else I was going to be doing on Saturday and Sunday, and I just figured I'll just go ahead and fill that in as time goes along. So here I'm taking my work scripts that I actually got from LilacLunaPlans, and if you guys been watching my plan with me, you know I've been talking about getting work scripts so I didn't have to write it down, especially when I have to work so many dang days. So this came right on time, and I really like the way it looked. So then after that, I'm going back to the sidebar that I didn't fill. So this kit didn't have any like sidebar stickers or any habit trackers. So I ended up kind of like putting together my own little thing. So I used that Monday to Saturday box from one of the Scribble Prints Co. Things that I had. And then I used the headers from Glam Planner. I'm sorry, those headers are from Glam Planner that I'm putting down. And then I just took 2 quarter boxes and actually made them habit trackers. I will be posting pictures on my Instagram, which is just.joya, Joia 2. If you go and check it out there, I'll have the final product of everything if you want to see everything a little closer. So here I just took and was using some of them washi strips here at the bottom just to decorate it a little bit more. And then I stuck another half box there as well. And I think that is coming to a close with this plan with me. I went back and did a little decorating. I pulled some silver butterflies from the Giving Girl, as well as some silver bows from Sadie stickers. And I just kind of like added it a touch. And I did these little butterflies last week too, and I just think it was just so cute. And now I see why people do this and they're playing with me. Like, it just added a nice little touch of sparkle, and I like sparkle. Do you guys like sparkle? I like sparkle. It's crazy. I have a problem. I realize this. I have a problem, and I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because you know what? This gives me an outlet. It's fun. I get to be creative, and I feel like life has just been tossing and turning me so much, especially now what's happening, that having this outlet has been so great. And I encourage everyone to do the same. Find something that will help you. Doing this yoga challenge, even though, you know, some days I do fall behind, I still do it. And I feel like it comes in like right on time. Like the days when, you know, she doesn't make you do too much, it's more of a stretching and chill cuddle time days like it was yesterday. I really needed that yesterday. And I just encourage everyone to do the same. You really need to take a moment, close your eyes, take a couple of deep breaths, and regroup as much as possible, because the things that are happening, even before this whole pandemic really started, things were happening and people weren't really paying attention to themselves. And now that this has happened and everything has come to a halt, people are really starting to realize, you know, like what's really important, and that you need to really try to focus on yourself. So I just encourage everyone to, you know, really try to pay attention to you and your needs and putting yourself first. And then I also encourage you to continue this on once, you know, as everybody say, once outside opens again, you know, once we're off punishment, you know, kind of really take a second and really think about what's important for you and what makes you happy, and really really make them a priority. So back to the plan with me. I'm just filling things out. It seems like now I'm on Thursday. So Thursday I just wrote down my little checklist because I did some filming and I realized, I didn't check off my other boxes. So I went back and just checked them off. And yeah, I really hope that you guys are enjoying my videos. I hope you guys are liking my content. And with May coming up now, I think it's ironic because 2020 was deemed the year of the nurse and midwife. Oh boy, has it been. So I think for May, especially since May is actually Nurses Week, well, May contains Nurses Week, I'm going to do like a mini nursing series here on my channel. So if you know anyone that is a nurse or thinking about becoming a nurse, or you're a nurse or anything, just send them my way. Here's a little sparkle dance so you can see all of the fun that I did. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you later. Bye.